The unimaginable has just happened. Today, Samsung will be officially unveiling the Galaxy S24 series, but before that happens, something crazy just came out. For the first time in the last 10 plus years, Apple has actually defeated Samsung when it comes to the global smartphone market. Yes, we just got the full worldwide smartphone shipment stats for the year 2023 when it comes to top 5 companies. As you can see, Apple has officially claimed the #1 spot, beating out Samsung, Xiaomi and other brands when it comes to the global shipments in the year of 2023. Not only they claimed the first position, but also they hit their all-time high market growth record when it comes to year-on-year performance. Their market share went from 18.8% to 20.1%, whereas Samsung and the other major Android brands faced a decline. Samsung went from 21.7% to 19.4% market share, making it official that Samsung is no longer the world's biggest smartphone brands when it comes to global shipment. Now, Samsung may be able to turn things around with the launch of the Galaxy S24 series. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. I have to say the timing of this report is absolutely insane, just a day before the Unpacked event, but let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Now, we have some last minute leaks regarding the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Someone actually went ahead and unboxed all 4 models of the S24 Ultra. For obvious reasons, I won't be showing you the video because Samsung actually took that off. But basically, the new box is a little bit different from the S23 Ultra's box. There's a bit of a shadow behind the phone image on the box. Other than that, the unboxing experience remains the same as last year's model. Also, for those of you who think that the zoom on the S24 Ultra is a downgrade, it is not. It's actually an upgrade. According to Ice Universe, the zoom on the S24 Ultra can take a lot more cleaner images in low light situations compared to the S23 Ultra. This is a great news because I can tell that the f4.9 aperture and the 10 megapixel resolution of the S23 Ultra's 10x lens can struggle with noise in terms of low light scenarios, which is why the new 5x lens will provide quite a lot of improvements. Furthermore, something we haven't been talking about much, which we should talk about, is the performance of the S24 Ultra. According to Ice Universe, Samsung has taken a big step when it comes to the efficiency of the animations and the overall performance on One UI 6.1 for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's going to be unlike anything we have experienced on the past flagship phones, making it perhaps the smoothest flagship phone Samsung has ever made. And last but not the least, we have the full list of the pre-order gift that Samsung is giving out with the Galaxy S24 series, and it is absolutely beautiful. For those of you who are pre-ordering, the first thing you're gonna get is the free storage upgrade. For example, if you pay for the 256GB model, you're going to get the 512GB model, and similarly, if you pre-order the 512GB model, you're going to get the 1TB version of the S24 Ultra. Along with this, Samsung is promising excellent trade-in options with the base guaranteed €100 bonus option on whatever old smartphone or tablet you have, combined with free Samsung Care and likely free Galaxy Buds, although this could differ from market to market. That's all for the last minute leaks. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Apple is now the #1 brand based on their performance in 2023. Globally, when you consider the full year of performance, it's for the first time Samsung has lost their position. They might be able to bounce back with the launch of the S24 series. As always, subscribe for the full coverage that is coming out. Make sure you stay tuned. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.